Hello everyone. My name is Amita Chatrat and my MIT ID is MIT 182974. Today I'm going to demonstrate the three security scanners which come under the security tools. First one is APK tool which comes under the reverse engineering. Second one is Wireshark for the exploitation, and third one is OpenVAS for the network reconnaissance. Just demonstrate the first one, APK tool. For the APK tool going to decode the APK files, and there are also so many use so many options for the APK tools. But today I'm going to decode my own application. Just go to here and just type it here, APK tool. If it is installed, it will show here, and once you click it, it will show like that, which I show you here. It will show like that. Once you opened it, you just go to your path where you store your application APK file, and once you go there and just write down APK tool and D for the decoding and your file name and extension, and you can see here there are so many results of decoding the files. And if you want to confirm it, you just go to your folder, and you can see here this is your APK file and it creates this folder. And once you open it, you can see different files which it decoded. Second one is a Wireshark for the exploitation. Just go to here and just write down here Wireshark. Once you write it Wireshark and click it, it will ask for the authentication. After authentication, you can see here this is the interface for the Wireshark. And in this Wireshark, I'm going to hack my login credential, and of this site, just write down your username and password. Here I'm using password 12121212, and once you click it login, you can see here the different protocols and destination and sources are available on their link. And once you find out, you have to find out the HTTP with the post method. If you find out this is the HTTP with the post method info, once you click it, you can click on here and you can see the username and password here. This is how you can crack the username and password. Third one is the OpenVAS. Just go here and just write down OpenVAS here and just click here OpenVAS start. Once you click it here, you can see the commands here, and just write down the password and it is started. Once it started, you just go to the link which is given below and put in here, and you can see this is the dashboard of the OpenVAS. And I'm going to hack the operating system 8.1, and you can see here this is a IP address of my operating system 8.1. You must check your firewall. If it is turned off, then you can hack your system. After doing this, you just go to the tasks and click on the purple button, task wizard. And once the task wizard is open, you can write down the IP address of your system and then start scan. I already done this because it takes time. So you can see here, this is the Windows 8.1 IP address, and see the severity, it's 5%. It is a medium vulnerability, and you can see the result of the Windows 8.1 IP address, and so 14 results are there. And I target the immediate scan in this operating system, and you can see this is a vulnerability. And once you click it, you can see the vulnerability detection results, and this is the result. And you can also mitigate with the solutions. And these are my video with the demonstration. Thank you so much.